report for duty. You will join us to rebuild paradise.
Stay close, Lita. We have to get to the boat.
Okay then.
When we get to Miami.
We'll say goodbye to Alejo. I promise.
Paradise.
Open up! This is the FN.
Coño, get down.
You are in violation of the true yard. I told you, there's nobody here.
Hey, Rojas should have answered the call. Next asshole who opens the door is Danny Rojas. Come on. FND, get out here!
We're looking for Danny Rojas.
This way.
I'm warning you! Okay. I'm not resisting. What the fuck? Come on! I have a family! Wait! Don't shoot!
Come on, we gotta move. They're going to see us. It's a lot of soldiers, Lita.
So we take the sewers. Ready, Danny? Get in the sewer.
Where the fuck are you taking me? This is so fucked. Yeah, when we're shooting.
They went this way!
¿Qué coño? So much blood.
Get down on the ground!
Almost there. The way out is up ahead.
Good. That boat's not going to wait for us. Shit, dead end.
I have money! Please!
Traitor! Pechara! I say you, traitor! Soldier! Yeah, Pechara over there!
Stay with me, Lita. Shit. Lita, zipline. Just like fucking boot camp.
No trap these remain in your home.
Oh shit!
Danny, you okay?
Yeah.
Of el presidente.
Keep moving. I'll see you on the other side.
Sorry.
We don't
I
want
wasn't
any
here.
trouble.
Shit, Lita. Where are you? La Torre de Leon. Castillo's fucking castle.
Danny, over here.
Over there!
No, there's a
The rest of you, line up
Fuck. Where the fuck are the police? They're just letting the military kill us? La Noche De La Muerte. The boat's over there. Run! Keep moving, Lita. We're almost there.
Please, we have to get on that boat.
Abuela, What the hell I'm gonna do with baseball cards?
Do you have any idea what these are worth? Let us through.
Oye, Marco. Always making new friends.
Danny, you're late. Where's Alejo?
He gave up his ticket. For his family.
Bullshit. Alejo is an orphan.
Alejo's not going anywhere anymore. Come on, Marco. Let them on.
Vamos.
Good man.
Get on the boxing gown.
Gracias.
Don't worry about it, chamaco.
Here. That's all I've got.
This isn't right, Danny. We should be fighting, not running to the Yankees.
Alejo gave you a fucking gift, Lira. We survive. Same as the orphanage, same as the academy.
What's that?
Please, no, this is a fishing boat. Dios mío, no!
Before he was El Presidente, mi papa loved to fish. We would go out on a boat, just like this, and we would catch the fish and then release them. He would say, it's not always about your stomach, mijo. It's about the challenge. Except when he caught a big, fat, juicy marlin, he was too proud to let that fish go.
Say, Tirano! You have poisoned Yara! You have poisoned your soul!
I have caught a very big fish today. Haven't I, Diego? Diego!
No way.
I have caught you, mijo. Now it's time to bring you home.
I don't want this anymore, Papa.
We have no choice.
Let them go. They can work. Make Viviro.
Truth or lies?
Truth.
They could be good workers. They could help rebuild paradise. But if you wanted them to live, you would have never set foot on this fucking boat. 13 years old. And Diego has such compassion for his people. These fish, we will catch and release.
What the hell just happened? We're fucked.
¡Vamos, vamos!
Lita!
I can't feel my legs.
Fuck, Lita. This is all my fault.
My phone.
Forget it, Lita.
My phone. This is the beach, Danny. It's fucking fake.
What?
She's hiding here. Clara, Libertad, Julio. Fuck, Julio. It's all here. Take my phone. Follow the code like when we were kids.
Stop it. Rita, just wait. I'll find help.
No! You give her this. Clara will help you. Don't you get it? You're the lucky one, Danny. You're the lucky one.
Lo siento, Rita.